In today's video, we are going to look at a grammatical concept which students often get incorrect, right? And this is known as the SVA principle. So what exactly is SVA? So SVA is subject verb agreement principle. So let's understand what the principle says. It says the fundamental principle, a singular subject takes a singular verb. I hope you would have learned this in your classes. And probably you say whereas a plural subject takes a प्लूरल वर्ब. सो बेसिकली द एसवीए प्रिंसिपल टेल्स यू दैट अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो आपको वर्ब सिंगुलर लेना है, और अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो आपको वर्ब प्लूरल लेना है. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द एग्जांपल. सो इट सेज द बुक ऑन द टेबल बिलोंग्स टू मी एंड माय सिस्टर. सो यू हैव अ सब्जेक्ट हियर व्हिच इज बुक and this is singular. So book is the subject of your sentence and it is singular. So you have used here verb which is belongs. This is also singular. So you say the book on the table belongs to me and my sister. On the other hand, when you say books, so books is the subject and it is plural because it has s with it. So when you say the books on the table belong to me and my sister, you have used here a plural verb. Right? So now understand, when the subject is singular, the verb is singular. So this is singular subject, you have a singular verb which is belongs. You have a plural subject which is books, so you have a plural verb which is belong. So this is basically what we are looking at the subject verb principle. Let's have a look at a more complex sentence here and let us see how do we put it. Have a look at this sentence, the kind of a sentence that you basically get in your examination. So it says the Indian Premier League debuted on a warm night at Bengaluru's M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in 2008 and has evolved into a global sporting juggernaut with immense commercial clout. So if you look at this entire sentence here, it's a lengthy sentence, right? But I hope if your basics are clear, you will probably understand that in this sentence, Indian Premier League is the subject. Right? So you have a subject here which is Indian Premier League and this is a singular subject, right? So this is singular, and that is why according to the fundamental principle, if you have a singular subject, you require a singular verb. If you have a plural subject, you require a plural verb. So you have a verb here which is has evolved. So अगर मैंने यहाँ पे have दिया होता as a sentence, right? So this would have meant that there is an error in this part of the sentence. So because we have Indian Premier League which is singular, we have used here has evolved. अगर यहाँ पे leagues की बात हो रही होती तो we would have used here have. I hope this makes sense to you, right? So remember one thing, that when you talk about the SVA principle, singular subject takes a singular verb, plural subject takes a plural verb. This is to say that you first have to identify the subject of the sentence, and once you identify the subject of your sentence, you have to choose your verb accordingly.